Ever feel inexplicably sluggish, like your energy tank is always running on empty? What if the key to feeling vibrant and alive lies in an organ you might not think about every day? Your liver is a powerhouse, constantly working to filter toxins and keep your body running smoothly. But just like any hard-working machine, it can get overloaded. A congested liver can struggle to do its job effectively. This can lead to a cascade of issues, potentially doubling the risk of heart problems, hindering your body's natural detoxification processes, and even messing with your hormones. Over time, neglecting your liver can even lead to serious problems. The good news? You have the power to support and rejuvenate your liver through simple and delicious dietary choices. We're talking about incorporating powerful foods that can help cleanse, reduce inflammation, and even help your body get rid of excess fat, especially around your midsection. Imagine a natural way to revitalize your liver and boost your overall well-being. Today, we're diving into a fantastic way to do just that, through the power of targeted smoothies packed with liver-loving nutrients. These aren't complicated recipes, they're easy to make and incredibly beneficial. We'll show you how to blend your way to a happier, healthier liver. If this sounds like something you've been looking for, take a moment to hit that like button. And if you want to stay updated on more ways to boost your health and vitality, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Practical example 1. The Green Revitalizer. Let's start with our first liver-loving blend, spinach and kiwi. Simply combine a handful, about 1 cup of spinach with 2 to 3 kiwis, depending on their size, along with a cup of water and ice. Spinach is fantastic because it can actually help curb cravings by stabilizing your blood sugar and may even aid in reducing abdominal fat. Kiwis are packed with vitamin C, potentially more than many other fruits, and contain properties that can protect your liver from damage. Blending these two together can really enhance liver repair. For an extra zing, you can add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice. Practical example 2. The Bile Booster. Next up, we have a vibrant mix of spinach and grapefruit. Again, start with about a cup of spinach and 1 whole grapefruit blended with a cup of water and ice. Grapefruit has a unique ability to increase your sensitivity to insulin, which is great for blood sugar management. Importantly, it also helps to boost bile flow from your liver. Bile is crucial for breaking down fats, and it's also a pathway for toxins to leave your liver and enter your small intestine. Feel free to add a squeeze of lemon or lime here too. Remember, we're blending the whole fruits to keep all that beneficial fiber. Practical example 3. The anti-inflammatory powerhouse featuring kale and pomegranate. Our third liver-supporting smoothie features kale and pomegranate. Combine about a cup of kale with the seeds from 1 pomegranate, a cup of water, and some ice. Now kale, being a cruciferous vegetable, has special properties that aid in liver detoxification and acts as a great anti-inflammatory for the liver. Pomegranate is also powerful in preventing fat from accumulating in the liver. Together, kale and pomegranate can stimulate some of the body's most potent antioxidants. For an added boost of omega-3 precursors and anti-inflammatory benefits, consider adding a tablespoon of flax seeds. Practical example 4, the digestive aid, papaya. This next one is incredibly simple. Just a cup of chopped papaya with a cup of water and ice. Papaya is packed with enzymes that can significantly aid digestion and is excellent for fighting inflammation in the liver. You might also want to add a tiny pinch of Himalayan sea salt to help replenish electrolytes. Practical example 5, the toxin fighter, celery and blueberries. Our next combination features 1 cup of chopped celery and 1 cup of blueberries, blended with a cup of water and ice. Celery is fantastic for increasing bile production, reducing liver inflammation, and generally helping to counter the effects of less healthy food choices. Blueberries are rich in polyphenol chemicals that can help bind with and remove excess iron from the body, which can be beneficial for many people. If you're feeling adventurous, adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar can further enhance its effectiveness and boost bile flow. We have even more powerful combinations for you. Try blending a cup of cucumber and a cup of lemon for a super hydrating and detoxifying smoothie. Cucumber may even help prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and lemon further boosts detoxification. Melons and a bit of ginger can also be a great addition for reducing fluid retention. Another excellent option is a cup of avocado and a cup of strawberries, which are packed with antioxidants and can improve liver function and metabolism. Finally, consider a delicious mix of coconut and papaya. Coconut contains lauric acid, great for antiviral support and the immune system, and MCT fats, which are a low-stress energy source for the liver. Combined with the enzymes and antioxidants in papaya, this blend can help reduce liver inflammation and scarring. A sprinkle of cinnamon can add even more blood sugar benefits to this last one. Incorporating these simple smoothie recipes into your diet can be a game changer for supporting your liver health. Remember, a happy liver contributes to better energy levels, improved digestion, and overall well-being. Start blending your way to a healthier you. We hope you found these recipes helpful and inspiring. Now we want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite ingredients for a health-boosting smoothie? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Thanks for watching.